the sound of a 225 cubic inch slant 6 starting up with no issue. Well, I am glad this engine can now easily start again. Because for the past many months, I have been having a hard time starting this car when cold. Why? Could it be the coil? No. Could it be the distributor pickup? No. Could it be that distributor drive gear that broke? Yes and no. That wasn't the actual reason why. Anyway, the problem I have been having is spark plug wires. And I didn't know it, because I bought these new. Who would have thunk? New spark plug wires giving me issues. And I went through all the correct diagnostic procedures to figure out what was going on. Why was this car having a hard time starting, or not even starting at all, when cold? And in the beginning, I didn't realize the problem was only when it was cold. I know how to diagnose ignition issues, but I overlooked the spark plug wires because the spark plug wires were new. That should not be a problem, but it is. New spark plug wires, as you can see here in this photo, should not have this high of resistance. This is 15,000 ohms on one of the spark plug wires. Another plug wire that I had checked had resistance as high as, I believe, if I remember, more than 12,000 ohms. That's a lot. And obviously the one in this picture here is more. So I bought a set of MagCore wires and checked those. And at room temperature, they tested great. Here is one of the wires checked while cold. I believe this one's a little bit longer than a foot. But at room temperature, I believe the amount of resistance that is in this wire is roughly around 1,800 ohms. It's showing 2,000 in this photo here, but that's because this was cold. So, I was already paranoid when it came to auto parts. I just did not expect spark plug wires to be an issue. And to prevent yourself from getting stranded or wasting time, check them before they go on the car. Wherever you buy them from, make sure that their resistance is within their rated spec. If it is not, send it back. Do not waste your time. Do not go, oh, well, it fired up. It worked. Yeah, it might be 70 degrees out when you did that. It might be working. But when the temperature gets cold, you're going to have a hard time. Don't bother. Anyway, if there is more stuff you would like to learn, please subscribe. And yes, this is the interior of my 1973 Dodge Dart. Anyway, have a good day.